Hello, can you solve this Maths Olympiad exam problem? We are asked to solve for s in I plus 1 plus I or to the power of x equal to 16. I want you to pause this video a little and try solving this question, and then you can play the video to see how we went about solving this question. And as you do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Now, to solve this question, I want us to assume that the value of 1 plus I square is equal to 2I. Now, if we assume this one as an expression, we're going to use this expression in solving this question given to us. Now, having assumed this, I want us to take the square of both sides. If I take the square of both sides, I'll have all this to be what? To be 1 plus I square, and all of these will be square, and this will be equal to 2I, or what? All squared. Great. In the next step, that expression will now give me I 1 plus I all to the power of 4, right? Because the powers will have to multiply, and this will become 2 square, right? Which is 4 multiplying I what? I square. Great. Now, what do we do from here? I want you to recall from complex numbers expression that I square is absolutely equal to -1, right? So if I apply that expression here, I'm going to have 1 plus I to the power of 4 equal to 4 multiplied by -1. Great. Now that expression will be simplified to give me 1 plus I to the power of 4, and this will be equal to -4. Got it. Now, what do I do from here? From here, I'm still going to take the square of both sides. Now, if I take the square of both sides, I'm going to have this expression to give me 1 plus I to the power of 4, right? All squared. And this will be equal to -4, or what? All squared. Absolutely, the right hand side, negative square, having this to be even, the result is going to be a positive 16. Now, on the other side, we are going to simplify this, and this is going to give us, remember, the power is going to multiply, and then we'll have 1 plus I all to the power of 8. 4 times 2 gives us 8. So what do we do from here? We want to compare this expression given to us with initial expression that has been given to us. Remember the question we are given 1 plus I to the power of x equal to 16. And from this solution, you've seen that we are given 1 plus I to the power of x to be equal to 16. So if we compare these two expressions, you come to see that the value of our x is simply equal to 8. And that is the solution, the value of 8, the value of x to that expression given to us up there. That was fast, right? Now let's verify or check to ensure that our solution is absolutely right. We are going to insert the value of x, which is 8, into this original expression that has been given to us, and confirm if this expression will give us 16. Now that expression is going to give us 1 plus I to the power of 8. Is it going to give us the value 16? Now let's check that out. Simplifying this expression, we're going to break out this into its factors. and then we'll have 1 plus I. Assume this to be squared, and all of these will be to the power of 4, right? I didn't change anything. Can this be equal to 16? Now, if we look at this expression very well, you can see that I can expand this using the rule of factorization. If I expand that algebraic expression, I'm going to have that to now give me this expression 1, right, plus I square, right, plus the other expression will be 2i, right? And this will be all to the power of 4. Will it be equal to 16? Simplifying this, we can look at the value of, recall that I square is always equal to -1, right? So if I insert that here, I'm going to have 1 I square, that is -1, plus 2i, and that will be to the power of 4. Now, will that value ever give me 16? We're going to find out. From this expression, you see that 1 will cancel out -1, and then we'll have our 2i to the power of 4. Will it be equal to 16? Now I'm going to break this out to another simpler time. If I have all of these, 2i square, all of these will be to the power of 2. I didn't change anything. Will it still give me 16? This whole thing is going to simply give me 2 times 2 square is going to give me 4i square, and all of this will be squared. Is it going to give me 16? Sure, I can see it coming out. I square, remember, is -1, and if I multiply it by 4, I'm going to have negative what? 4. -4 square, is it equal to 16? Of course it is. Since this is even, the result is going to be 16, and 16 is equal to 16. Hence, the value of x equal to 8 truly satisfy that expression given to us up there. So you see, very, very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.